this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2018 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter Ecoboost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a Sport Appearance package and the Special Edition package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, your backup camera. We got a soft rolling tunnel cover, which is pretty handy. We even get a tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear, gripped running boards on each side, with heated door mirrors, turn light indicator mirrors, and moving to the front here, we do get recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford Grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior. Got these nice looking seat belts with the red accents. You got the Sport logo stitched onto the seats with cup holders. We got rear vents, 12 volt, 2 USBs, 110 volt, and we do get a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a powered driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Lights, parking brake, pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 151,530 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel with the red sport stitching, volume, playback, play forward, mode, mute voice, phone, cruise control, and toggle-free screen, which you can then go through display mode, trip and field, towing, off-road, and other settings. Taking a look to my right here, we got our gear select, your drive mode, storage, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets, and it does close. Got your center console here as well with more storage underneath, which is pretty nice. You got upper and lower storage with this vehicle. We do get our trailer brake, pro trailer assist or trailer backup, rear locking diff, and drive modes, or four-wheel drive, with climate controls, heated front seats, your CD, 12 volt and 110, storage below, on the dash, and a nice powered rear window opener with our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. Looking here, we have our traction, hazards, auto stop, auto start, your media controls. You do get your navigation, audio, phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, CD. Got your phone controls, your navigation just right here. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your SiriusXM travel link. Settings such as your Bluetooth, navigation, mobile apps, Wi-Fi hotspot, vehicle display, voice control, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8078A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.